Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Inbox in Asana. The Inbox feature is your centralized notification hub where you can track all updates, mentions, and task assignments in one place, helping you stay on top of your work without missing important messages. First, go to the Asana web app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your projects and tasks are organized. Now look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Click on Inbox, which is usually the second item down, positioned just below Home. This is where all your notifications live, and it's essential for staying updated on everything happening across your projects. When you open your inbox, you'll see all your notifications displayed in the main pane. The newest notifications appear at the top, so you'll always see the most recent updates first. This makes it easy to prioritize what needs your attention right away. Each notification shows you a preview of what happened, whether it's a task assignment, a comment, a mention, or a project update. Next, click on any notification to open the related task or conversation. This takes you directly to the source where you can read the full details, respond to comments, or take whatever action is needed. It's a quick way to jump into the context without having to search through multiple projects manually. Now decide what to do with each notification. If action is required, handle it immediately by responding or updating the task. If no action is needed, you can simply move on. This helps you process notifications efficiently without getting overwhelmed. To keep your inbox organized, Asana gives you several options. Select the items you want to manage, then click the Archive button on a notification once you've dealt with it. This clears it from your view while keeping a record in your archive. If a notification is particularly important, use the Bookmark button to flag it for easy access later. You can also use the Mark as Unread option if you want to come back to a notification when you have more time. If you change your mind about a selection, simply click the X to deselect it. Repeat this process regularly to maintain what's often called Inbox Zero. By consistently reviewing and clearing your notifications, you avoid notification overload and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. This habit keeps your workspace clean and your mind focused on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.